Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have these stuffed cookies with jam and I made them and they are delicious. I want to show you exactly how I did them. I will start with the dough, for which I'm gonna need butter, of course, 250 grams of soft butter at room temperature, and I always use unsalted. Flour 370 grams, powdered sugar 50 grams, cornstarch 20 grams, and 2 egg yolks. I will use mixer, my trusty mixer here, Ruby, and I will mix that butter for a few minutes just to soften it up more, and after that I will start adding powdered sugar and continue to mix until I will incorporate all the sugar. If you don't have a mixer, don't worry, you can do this with a spoon or even a spatula. After you incorporated the sugar, add egg yolks, and you see what a lovely colors these eggs give to the dough. Add cornstarch and gradually start adding flour. Because I love working the dough with my hands, I will incorporate the rest of the flour with my hands and I'll knead the dough. It's gonna be a really soft dough, and these cookies will just gonna melt in your mouth. This is how the dough looks like, and I'm gonna form the cookies now, but first I'm gonna tell you all about the filling. It's simple. I'm gonna use a jam, pineapple and mango without any sugar added, and walnuts. I will grind the walnuts with my food processor, but you can use almonds, you can use whatever nuts you have in your kitchen. And I'm using raw walnuts, and I'm gonna grind them up as fine as I can, and I'm gonna mix them up with that jam. This is kind of like a traditional filling for lots of cookies in Romania. We usually don't use pineapple and mango jam. This is kind of a fancy thing. We usually use, to be honest, plum jam. I'm gonna use again my mixer to form the cookies. I have this cookie thing that I can use with my grinding machine, grinding attachment for my KitchenAid, and I'm forming strips out of the dough. And I stick together 2 of those strips. You're gonna see in just a bit. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. So first form the strips. The dough that comes out of on the sides of the cookie form, I'm placing it back and form more cookies. Okay, so I'm gluing 2 of those strips. Put a bit of filling at one end, roll them up nice and gentle, and cut the excess dough and place the cookies formed like this in an oven tray on baking paper. I loved making these. They're really delicate and nice, and they will be eaten super fast. So just a tiny bit of filling at one end, roll the dough around the filling and in the oven tray. Proceed on the same way with the rest of the dough and the rest of the filling. I will bake them in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes until you see that they have a bit of color on the underneath. Don't let them bake more. Take them out. This is the cookie cutter that I used. This is how it's looking. and you have different settings here. I use the last one at the end. Okay, after I baked the cookies, I took them out of the oven and powdered sugar over them while they were still hot. And now you can let them cool down, and after that, of course, you can eat them. They're super good, really tender, and they legit melt in your mouth. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're gonna try the recipe. I will see you here next time with another one. Until then, find reasons to smile. Have an awesome day. Bye.